Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
I like this, dude. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
Thank you.
That is pretty smooth. Port round over for good airflow.
Yeah, I just switched the box last week.
Okay.
I had it in another box. It's two Platinum 12s. They're only on the 5K, so really they're kind of a little underpowered.
Yeah.
But my last box was tuned to 29.
Okay.
So it hit good from probably 22 to mid 30s, but this one's tuned to 34. I wanted something a little more musical.
Yeah. You can play into the low 40 hertz range pretty well then. Okay. So your name real quick and what's in here, man?
Nick.
All right.
Statesville, North Carolina.
Okay.
So not too far. It's 406.5
Okay.
on a SoundQ U4 500, and then two Platinum 12s on a SoundQ U5000 at 1 ohm.
How far back bottom down does the port go? Is it? Do you have it turned over sideways too?
It does. It turns into them probably about 3 or 4 inches.
Okay.
And the actual, it's hard to see the amps. The amps are under the platform, under the box.
Oh, so you actually have them hidden.
Yeah.
So it's nice and clean installed. Okay.
Yeah.
Looks really good.
I've got a
Picture? Yeah.
Yeah, I had a picture.
Okay. What's the cubic space on this box?
It's right at like 5 cubes net.
Okay.
I think it's like 8 square inches of port area.
Okay. I just like to see everything. I'm sorry.
There's a picture of the amp rack underneath it.
Okay. So you have one per sub?
No, I've got that one's a 5,000.
Oh, okay. They're just. I'm so used to the size. Okay,
Yeah,
got it. The
that's a
5K and the 4 channel.
Yep.
U 5K. Got it. All right. And that's at 1 ohm.
Yep.
All right. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
I like your fur action too.
Thank
Yeah. Have you done any kind of SPL on it just for fun or just
No,
demo?
I never have put it on a meter.
Okay. It's all good. Anything under the hood? Upgraded alternator?
It's got a 200 amp alternator.
Okay.
And then excess power D3400.
All right.
Just wanna ball it. Just wanna ball it. For once, they never ever call her. She asks why, bitch, I grew up on the corner, tryna get till all my niggas savages, and we do these hoes so scandalous. That mean we the only one left, nigga think different than me impressed, man. Nigga tell you the truth, but he really not. Cause of someone who taught me how. He just takes a charge. That means we the only one left. Niggas think they can finish you. Trust me,
Nice. You have a good day, man.
You too.
Nice to meet you.